Biodiversity is the richness of living organisms in nature due to presence of varieties of organisms, ecosystems, and genetic variations within a species. Biodiversity occurs at three different levels. Number one, species diversity, that is, the number of different species in an area. Number two, ecosystem diversity, that is, variety of habitats, communities, and ecological processes. Number three, genetic diversity, that is, all the different genes within all the members of the population. Sacred groves. The forest conserved in the name of God and considered to be sacred is called as sacred grove. These are in fact sanctuaries conserved by the society and not by the government forest department. As it has been conserved in the name of God, it has special protection. There are more than 13,000 sacred groves in India. How can biodiversity be conserved? Number one, protecting the rare species of organisms. Number two, establishing national parks and sanctuaries. Number three, declaring some regions as bioreserves. Number four, projects for conservation of special species. Number five, conserving all plants and animals. Number six, observing the rules. Number seven, maintaining record of traditional knowledge. What are the meanings of the following symbols? Write your role accordingly. There are many organizations engaged in environmental activities. More than 25 lakh people from 26 different countries are members of this organization. Greenpeace is world's largest organization engaged in environmental activities. What is my role in conserving, controlling, production, preservation, prevention, and creating an awareness? Biodiversity hotspots. 34 highly sensitive biodiversity hotspots worldwide. Earlier, these areas occupied 15.7% area of the earth. At present, only 2.3% of the earth have been left with sensitive spots. 3 endangered heritage places of India. Number 1, Western Ghat, spread over Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Habitats of Asiatic lion and wild bison in the region have been under threat. Number 2, Manas Sanctuary, located in Assam. It is under threat due to dams and indiscriminate use of water. Tiger and rhino present here are under threat. Number 3, Sundarban Sanctuary, located in West Bengal. It is reserved for tigers. Tiger population is threatened because of dams, deforestation, excessive fishing, trenches dug for fishing, etc.